Welcome to 16047 Weston Court, Prairieville, Louisiana. This great 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is situated on a large, partially fenced lot. Walking into the home, you'll love the open concept floor plan, with beige ceramic tiling running through the main living area and the wet areas. The kitchen offers a center island, lots of natural light, stainless steel appliances with white painted cabinetry, and a perfect sized pantry. Off from the kitchen is a perfectly situated dining area, which is large enough for a formal dining set. The open living room can easily fit oversized furnishings. Entering the master suite with its nice design, and it has an inset fan in the very tray ceiling heights. The ensuite master bathroom has dual vanity sinks with white painted cabinetry, separate standalone shower and a non-jetted soaking tub. The 2 bedrooms on the opposite side of the home are ample in size and let in lots of natural light. Both are fully carpeted with beige carpeting and have plenty of closet space for all your storage needs. These bedrooms share a full bathroom, which is just steps away from the rooms. When you step out into the backyard, you will be impressed on just how large the yard is. This home is just off Airline and minutes from the I-10 corridor in Prairieville. The public schools are currently the Prairieville Primary, Middletown and Dutchtown High Schools. So be sure to call for your private showing today.